Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, dear all. Welcome back to English session. In our previous session, we were discussing about grammar points, isn't it? We discussed about prepositions. We also tackled some of the other grammar points, as well as we were discussing about in previous session we were discussing about A Sunny Morning by Serafin and Jacqueline Alvarez Quinna, which is a play, a love play, where our author, the two golden boys are what boys? Yeah, two golden boys. Yeah, golden boys of Madrid, a theatre, have written a play, a drama, where two old people meet each other. At the beginning of the play, they started quarreling with each other, and finally they got to know instances got to know that they have been in love with each other when they were young people, isn't it? Young lover. The lady has been called as Silver Maiden, and the boy has been called as the gallant lover. And this is a simple, beautiful love story of two couples who cannot marry each other because of the familial disturbance, and the family didn't agree to their marriage, and unfortunately they have to leave each other and marry other people in their respective life. But finally they met with each other in a park in Madrid, and they started quarreling with each other. With having a snuff, they got peace. It brought peace between each other's life, between each other, and finally they started discussing about their life, how they used to live. Don Gonzalo started reading his poems, collection of poems. Finally, even Donna Laura also started speaking with Don Gonzalo friendly, and prior to it they were taunting each other, isn't it? Especially a lady, Donna Laura, was taunting Don Gonzalo like anything, isn't it? So we all learned this in our previous session, and now let's tackle the remaining chapter of the remaining play of our syllabus. So I believe I have discussed till page number 38, and probably we will, if possible, we will finish this play. It's a lengthy play. If possible, I will be finishing it in these upcoming 3 videos. If not, it will be dragging to the next week's video. Let's see. So in our previous session, we were discussing how they have been quarreling with each other regarding the way they behave, and Don Gonzalo was very angry fellow, angry old man. He was very much irritated because his bench have been occupied by 3 priests, and it was unbearable to him, and he has to share Donna Laura's bench to sit, and it was not acceptable to him because the lady seemed very irritating to Don Gonzalo. But unfortunately, as he has any other option, he has to share the bench. And now let's see what's happening between each other. So page number 38, we have stopped here, right? Very well, Senor. Sorry, very well. I have nothing more to say. Between his teeth, he was very much angry about Donna Laura, who is taunting him like anything. And he says, snail, which means silly. Old lady, you ought to be at home knitting and counting the beads. He says in his teeth, between his teeth refers to, it's a metaphor, it's a, idioms. It's an idiom that between his teeth, it suggests that he is very much angry about Donna Laura, isn't it? And he says, snail lady, silly lady, you would have better at home and knitting and counting beads, tasbih, isn't it? Counting beads. So why the hell you are here and disturbing me a lot? But okay, let's see. Donna Laura. So I will just say Laura and Gonzalo. I'm not gonna read everything here. Okay. Laura, don't grumble anymore. I am not going to live just to please you, okay? So don't you dare to grumble. I'm not going to leave this place because of you, okay? Please, ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. Don Gonzalo, brushing the dust from his shoes with his handkerchief. He was cleaning his shoes with his handkerchief. If the ground was sprinkled a little, it would be an improvement, he says. So he wanted to clean his shoes as he was walking a lot, and he had a gout, right, which was a leg disease where it is a severe pain. Disease ಆದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಪೇನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. They cannot lift the leg. ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. Then they have to pull the leg towards each other. I mean, they have to pull the leg, isn't it? So ಅದನ್ನು ಎಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, isn't it? So as if a cradle, isn't it? So she has also taunted on that as well, right? So he says, ಈ ಪಾರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರು ತುಂಬಿದಿದ್ರೆ, isn't it? ನೀರು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ, ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಕಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿದ್ರೆ, it would be better, it would be improved. But unfortunately my shoes have become very much dusty. So he is cleaning his shoes with using his handkerchief. Make sure they may ask this paragraph to report writing. This is important. Okay, don't grumble anymore. I'm not going to leave just to please you, okay? So Gonzalo, brushing dust from his shoes with his handkerchief. If the ground was sprinkled a little, it would be an improvement, isn't it? So ground ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನಾದರೂ ನೆಂದಿದ್ದರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಡಸ್ಟಿ ಆಗ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಗಾನ್ಜಾಲೋ. Laura, do you use your handkerchief as a shoe brush? Direct question to Don Gonzalo. So whether you use your handkerchief as a shoe brush, so ನಿನ್ನ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಕರ್ಚಿಫ್ನ ಶೂ ಬ್ರಷ್ ಥರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ ನೀನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Why not? Gonzalo, why not? ಯಾಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು? You can use anything to any purpose, right? It is a multitasking things, okay? Laura, do you use a shoe brush as a handkerchief? This is little embarrassing, isn't it? So she says, if you are using your handkerchief as a shoe brush, then obviously you have to use your shoe brush as your handkerchief, isn't it? Silly lady. And very she is keep on taunting Gonzalo. What right have you to criticize my actions? Here Gonzalo is angry again. Who the hell are you to speak to me like this, huh? What do you have rights to speak to me or to address my actions? He says. Laura, a neighbor's right. So it's a padosiyo wala rights, isn't it? It's a neighbor's right. Gonzalo, Junetto, very angry, addressing to his servant. Junetto, my book. I do not care to listen to nonsense. So I'm not at all interested in listening to nonsense words by this lady, this old lady. So bring my book. I wanted to read. Laura, yes, you are very polite. So again Laura is addressing to the man. ನೀನು ತುಂಬ polite ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ, isn't it? So Don Gonzalo, pardon me. Pardon refers to sorry. I mean apologizing, isn't it? Apologizing. Pardon me, Senora. Make sure Senor is sorry. Addressing the respect for each other, ma'am, and so. Pardon me, Senora, but never interfere with what does not concern you. Kshamasbido, I am not that polite to you, but don't you interfere in the matter which doesn't concern you. ಅಂದರೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನೀನು ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಕ್ಕೋಬೇಡ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಟು ಯು ಅಂತ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಡಾನ್ ಗಾನ್ಸಾಲೋ. Now Laura, I generally say what I think. This is very arrogant, right? So she says, oh no, I generally speak whatever I wanted to speak. I'm very fluent, actually I'm very frank, isn't it? I'm very much frank. Gonzalo, And more to the same effect, give me the book, Jonito. Obviously, I too. So don't you dare speak to me. That's why I'm very rude to you. So bring my book, Jonito, addressing to Jonito, who is his servant. Jonito, here, Senor. Take this, Senor. Jonito takes a book from his pocket, hands it to Don Gonzalo, then exit by right. So out of that, this is a play. It has to be enacted. So on the stage irutte adri left to right side na use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ play ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಜನ actors. He exit by right side. Don Gonzalo casting indignant glance at Donna Laura. Casting ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ತುಂಬ ಸಿಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಡಾನಾ ಲಾರಾನ. Isn't it? Donna Laura puts on an enormous pair of glasses. ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಗ್ಲಾಸಸ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊತಾನೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಐ ಗ್ಲಾಸಸ್, ಸನ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸಸ್. Takes from his pocket a reading glass. So in the page number, at the initial stage of this play, there was a picture on page number 34 that he uses a telescope and he has a reading glass on it, but here the story is different. So he has two glasses here, isn't it? One is enormous glasses and another one is reading glasses, like you can see in page number 34. Okay. Puts on an enormous pair of glasses, takes from his coat pocket a reading glass, adjusted both to suit him and opens his book. So adjust ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾನೆ ಎರಡು ಕೂಡ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಲಿ ಅಂತ ಓದಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, and opens his book. ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಓದಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. Laura, I thought you were taking out a telescope. ಸೊ ಏನಾದರೂ ಟೆಲಿಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ತೆಗಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರ ಓದಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. Look, Laura is very childish here. She wants to quarrel with Don Gonzalo again and again. Even though Don Gonzalo is avoiding her like anything, Laura is behind him, isn't it? Very childishly, very naughtily, stubborn like a lady. That she wanted to speak to him. That too, every time she is taunting Gonzalo, isn't it? So ಯಾವಾಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ಕಾಲು ಎಳಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, pulling his leg out, isn't it? Every time. So I thought you are opening I think you are taking out a telescope ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, because he has already two glasses, right? It was indifferent to Laura and she sees like this. Okay, so I thought you are taking out a telescope. Was it you? Again Don Gonzalo is very much angry and says, was that you? Oh, again you was that? Laura, your sight must be keen. Keen means eagerness. Something like sharp. Yeah. Your sight must be keen. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣು, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯೇನೋ. Gonzalo, keener than yours is. ನಿನ್ಕಿನ್ನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ನನ್ನ ಐಸ್. It is visible, isn't it? It's clear. It's more sharper than yours ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ರೆಡ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು, isn't it? Now, Laura, yes, evidently, isn't it? She is very smart lady. Yes, ಹೌದು, ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, isn't it? Gonzalo, ask the Hayes and Patricks. Oh, do you hunt? So hay is actually animal resemble to a rabbit. Okay, and Patricks are short-tailed game birds found in Europe and Asia. So Asia and European countries ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ Patridge ಅಂತ. Make sure whenever G is followed by D is always silent. I have told you this many a times. So it's Patridge, not Patridge, Patricks. So it's a bird. So he says you used to hunt. So ಕಣ್ಣು ಕಾಣಲೇ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಜನ ಹಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, isn't it? So he must have keen sight to hunt an animal, isn't it? So he says, you ask Hay and Patricks, isn't it? I used to hunt, okay? So she says, you hunt? I did, even now. ನಾನು ಹಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಈವನ್ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು. ಯೂಶಲಿ ಎವ್ರಿ ಸಂಡೇ I used to go to hunting. I did, and even now. Laura, oh yes, of course. Oh, howda. It's like arrogantly telling, oh, you are not doing it, just don't pamper yourself like this, okay? Oh yes, of course, Don Gonzalo. Yes, Senora, howdo nija. Every Sunday I take my gun and dog, and you understand, and go to one of my estates near Aravaka and kill time. So every Sunday I used to go to hunt, and I used to take my dog and my gun to one of my estate in Aravaka and used to kill time. Then time passigoskara hunting ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So this is what I do, okay? So I used to hunt. So my eyes are sharper than yours ಅಂತ try ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So every time Don or Laura sees, yeah, it's visible, okay? Okay, don't pamper yourself. I can see. You are using two glasses to read, and how can you just hunt? And she is doubting. Make sure there will be a question of 4 mark. Narrate the stories they constructed for themselves, and then another question kelidre you have to talk about these stories, how they constructed for each other. Now a 4 mark question. Okay, do you think so? Sorry, Aravaka and kill time. Laura, yes, kill time. That is all you kill. ಹೌದು, ಟೈಮ್ ಪಾಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀಯಾ, ಟೈಮ್ನೇ ಕಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀಯಾ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಿಲ್ ಎನಿ ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ you are not keen enough. I know, look, you cannot kill animals, but you just can kill time, okay? anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Yes, sorry, do you think so? Oh, ನಿನಗೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಾ? I could show you a wild boar's head in my study. ಸೊ ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಬಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಹಣ್ಣು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಬೋರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಪಿಗ್ಗಿನ ತಲೆ ನನಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಿನಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಡಾನ್ ಗಾನ್ಜಾಲೋ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಸ್ book, he takes two glasses. One is enormous glasses and another is a reading glass. So out of curiosity, to turn to Don Gonzalo, she says, oh, I was thinking you take out a telescope. So he was very much eager to respond to our give any counter argument. So he says, I have keener sight than you, okay? I have sharper sight than you. She says, yeah, it is visible, okay? So he says, if you can't trust me, go and ask Hay and Patrick, okay? So he said, okay, so you used to hunt? He says, yes, of course I do every time. I do it now. Every Sunday I used to go to one of my estate, taking my gun and my dog to hunting to kill time. She says, oh, that's what you can do, isn't it? You can only kill time, you cannot kill animals. She's keep on taunting him, isn't it? She keep on taunting Gonzalo. Do you think so? I could show you a wild boar's head in my study. So ನಿನಗೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನಾನು ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ, you can come to my home. You can see wild boar's head in my study room, isn't it? So in my room, you can see a wild pig's head. She says, yes, and I could show you a tiger skin in my boudoir, which means a women's personal room, bedroom, or small private room. What does that mean? So she says, ನೀನು ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಬೋರ್ಸ್ ಹೆಡ್ ನಿನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಗರ್ಸಿನ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ, ನಾನು ಅದು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೊಗೊಂಬಂದು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು, ನೀನು ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿರಬಹುದಲ್ಲ. She is questioning his hunting skill, she is questioning his stories at all, isn't it? So she is trying to question his stories. I don't believe you can read, I don't believe you can hunt, I don't believe all your stories, okay? All the stuff you're sharing about yourself, pampering yourself, she says. And he says, no, if you doubt me, you can come along with me and you can see the wild boar's head in my study. She gives a counter argument like anything, a final counter argument that, yeah, you can also come to my body and see a tiger skin. What does it mean? I have hunted a tiger? Obviously no. I have purchased it for myself. So maybe likewise you have also purchased a wild boar's head for you. So she says, very well. Here, what does it prove? Adenu prove madala neen hunt madidiya anta, isn't it? So she said he was very much irritated by Laura's questioning and counter questioning. So he was like, okay, very well, please stop now. Very much irritated by Laura's questioning. Very well, Senora, ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್ ಸೆನೋರಾ. ಓಕೆ ಸರಿ ಬಿಡು ಅಮ್ಮ, ಹೋಗಲಿ ಬೇಡ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಅಲೋ ಮೀ ಟು ರೀಡ್. ಇನಫ್ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್. Allow me to read now. I have came here to read, to enjoy nature, not to speak with you, okay? So please allow me to read now. Enough conversation. ಸಾಕು ಇವಾಗ ಮಾತುಕತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಡಾನ್ ಗಾನ್ಸಾಲೋ. Now let's see the next paragraphs. Okay. Donna Laura. Well, you subside then. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ ನೀನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ, ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಸಬ್ಸೈಡ್, ತಿರುಗು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಅಂತ ಆ ಥರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಡಾನ್ ಗಾನ್ಸಾಲೋ. But first, I should take a pinch of snuff. Takes out snuff box. Will you have some? So snuff is something like nas, nashe. ಮೂಗು ಹತ್ರ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ it inhaling you. Yeah, inhaling the nashe, the snuff. Snuff ಅಂದರೆ ನಾಸ್. ಉರ್ದುವಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಶೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ inhaler which gives you instant power. And probably it's like a non-medicated drug. It's a non-medicated drug. So he opens a snuff box and he says, yeah, I'm gonna read, but before I would like to take some snuff so that it can clear my mind. I can refresh myself after this long lengthy conversation. I wanted to take some snuff. He says, yeah, sure. So he also offers snuff to Laura. She says, if it is good, okay, fine, ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ, but if it is good qualities, it is of the finest, you will like it. ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸ್ನಫ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ. ಲೋಕಲ್ ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ ಏನಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದು. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಪಿಂಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ನಫ್, ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಮೈ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಲಾರಾ ಸೇಸ್, ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಪಿಂಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ನಫ್ ಅದು ನನ್ನ ಮೈಂಡ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಡ್ಡೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೈಂಡ್, Gonzalo also says, ನನಗೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ತುಂಬ ಇಲ್ಲ, isn't it? It also clears my mind as well. Do you sneeze? Yes, Sonora, 3 times. And so do I. What a coincidence, isn't it? So a snuff brought peace between Laura and Gonzalo. They asked this question for 1 mark. What had brought peace between Laura and Don Gonzalo in the chapter? In the play, a sunny morning anta kelbodu. You have to tell that it's a snuff, it's a nashe or nas which brought peace between Laura and Don Gonzalo. Till now they have been quarreling. It's like a cold war between each other, that you did this, you that did, you are stupid, you use enormous glasses, I'm keener than you. So especially Laura keeps on taunting Don Gonzalo every point and at every action he does. He uses his handkerchief to clean his shoes. She keeps on commenting, oh, so you use your handkerchief to as a shoe brush? He says, why not? She asks again question, so you do use your hand brush to, as a handkerchief, a shoe brush as a handkerchief? He was very much angry. So please mind your business, right? I don't want to speak to you. I want to read my novel or my book which I have bought. So they both started discussing and they both started quarreling with each other. The introduction was with quarreling with each other, and the snuff brought peace between Laura and Don Gonzalo. Between Laura and Don Gonzalo, snuff brought peace between Laura and Don Gonzalo. So they may ask you this question for 1 mark. What brought peace between Laura and Don Gonzalo? So Don Gonzalo offers snuff to Laura as well. She accepted it, asking whether it is of finer quality. So Don Gonzalo says, yeah, it is of finest quality, you may like it, isn't it? And he says, okay, fine. She takes a pinch of snuff, ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಚುಟ್ಕಿ ಸ್ನಫ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಮೈ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಶಿ ಸೇಸ್, ಇದು ತಗೊಂಡ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಟೂ, isn't it? ನನಗೂ ತುಂಬ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ. ಲಾರಾ, ಡು ಯು ಸ್ನೀಸ್? ಸೊ ಲಾರಾ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಡಾನ್ ಗಾನ್ಸಾಲೋ, ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ನಫ್ ಡು ಯು ಸ್ನೀಸ್? ಸ್ನೀಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಕ್ಷಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು, isn't it? ಸೊ ಡು ಯು ಸ್ನೀಸ್? ಗಾನ್ಸಾಲೋ, ಎಸ್ ಸಿನೋರಾ, 3 times. ಹೌದು, ನಾನು ಸ್ನೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ 3 times that too. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಡು ಐ, ವಾಟ್ ಕೋಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್. ಓ ಹೌದಾ, ನೀನು 3 ಸತಿ ಅಕ್ಷಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ಓ ಸೇಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು 3 ಸತಿ ಅಕ್ಷಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ನಫ್ they await the sneezings both anxiously and sneeze alternatively 3 times each. Once Don Gonzalo Archie Martele, once Laura Archie Martele. Next Don Gonzalo Laura, Don Gonzalo Laura. There are 3 times both of them sneezed, and now their mind is clear, their head is clear, and they are good to go with their good relationship now. Till now they were quarreling with each other, but now they have developed a kind of a friendship, a kind of a understanding between each other. So what brought peace between Laura and Don Gonzalo is snuff. SNUFF, snuff, which means nashe, something like nas, non-medicated drugs. Okay, to this session we'll be stopping here. We are not going very in a hurry. We need to understand this clearly because this chapter is very much important for 1 mark question as well as for 4 mark question as well as for 6 marks question. So in this chapter you may have 1 mark question, 4 mark question as well as 6 marks question. I can predict 4 mark questions. We'll let you know what important questions they may ask you for 4 marks, but I can predict for 6 marks question, but I cannot predict 1 mark question. So as per my experience, as I have seen in question paper, I may let you know, but it doesn't mean those questions are only important. They may ask you anything from the chapter. So make sure you're reading it thoroughly, and make sure this chapter is very much important in the Barkondu. You have to read this chapter, read this play thoroughly. You have to read it by yourself as well, so that you can understand it clearly. I hope you have understood what till now I have discussed. May Allah make learning easy. If you are having any doubts, feel free to talk about, and make sure you are forwarding your running notes. Many of you haven't written running notes and not updated me. It is not acceptable. You have to work for it and make sure you are sending your running notes by this session itself. And may Allah make learning easy. Thank you so much.